they will come online and be like, I'm officer's wife. Ashawo, me. Like this. I go see if I see that comment, I trace. I see that you wear in our clothes. I go tell you where to Z. Before I go first go investigate how you take marry your husband. You dey craze. Now me want they talk to. That's why no get the picture for her. They come online. They talk to say you be Ashawo. You. What is na barak gate for pick you? The recruitment gate for Zaria for pick you. Give you belle. You can't give belle take who can down because shame they catch you. You don't get army. You can't get belle for person. You can't come online the time. You can't come online the person Ashawo. If I dey lie, make they do DNA test. Make they do DNA. You really need help. You yourself, you need help because your mother is a bastard. Your mom is a motherfucker bastard. Aye mom iti baje. Your mother Enos. Your mom. See, let me tell you, bastard. Because I am like this, I will help you. I will accommodate you and feed you. In case you don't even know. Me when they like this, I will accommodate you and I will help your useless life. I go accommodate you, I go feed you. How many years you go say I go put you for house? Feed you. I go feed you for your like this. Like I go feed you. You will not have belly food. You will see your picture. You be like who they draw. You will be like who they draw. You like you be like who they use truth and dare take bone. Now they call this. Now they call person Ashawo. You will be your wife will be say if they born you will go do DNA test for your wife. If they born you well, go do. You even get the money to do DNA test. You even get the money to do DNA test. Go and do DNA test for your wife now. Maybe you say a bastard now in your house. Make I tell you so. Go do DNA test for your wife. They born you well. Go and do DNA test for your wife. Now come on, now see person will just come. Now just call person like now they call person Ashawo. You will be say your wife now hotspot Wi-Fi for barrack. Your wife now hotspot. They don't share finish as they not teach your wife they give up. Man call their spot where they for first start. They whine. Now me you want the insult with Ashawo. If you that one they pay me again. Change that to another story. Put another insult. They create. I am waiting bad. You dey mad. No, I don't want to my face. You get. Come now. Go here. Go do DNA test for your wife now. Your wife will say get HIV already. Officers, some of you now see 99. Let me tell you guys something. 99% of Nigerian officers they are HIV positive. 99%. I'm saying it. See, record me. They are HIV positive. They talk. They talk now. They talk. Now me want to follow talk all this kind of rubbish. Give me another name. Madness. Madness. Ashawo. Wait again. Waiting. You come Ashawo life when they view Ashawo. That's why they mad. You carry your sub. They view me. You must say they mad be that now. You get. Talk another thing again now. Talk another thing. Go if the boy you will go do any test. Go do any test for your wife. For your wife. All my children for there, but na bastard na they trade for house. Let me tell you that thing. Quote me anywhere. Let me talk on. Una carry bastard. Una wife. Una go dey notice. Una wife go dey fuck up and down for inside barrack. Wi-Fi. You see person. You see girl. You dey call and shower. Your wife who come. What is your wife gonna be? Okay, your wife na pastor. I been a prophetess for house. You understand? Now your wife na a good pass. Your wife will be now. She don't share finish. She don't share. Your wife. I said you're picking a bastard now and talk. You understand? You people come to you be calling person Ashawo. Now your total do Ashawo. Your wife who call. Your wife toto they read meter. Your wife toto they read meter for her. You know they see him. You know they see him. Now come on now. Now we just person Ashawo. You won't call what you be. You they use truth and dare take bomb. You they use truth and dare take bomb for inside barrack. You be born throw away. Now come they compare to Ashawo. Even woman will be say by you never wash your pants well. They compare to Ashawo. You like this. You when they fuck inside toilet. They call your fellow girl Ashawo. She know they catch you. She know they catch you. You know they fuck inside toilet. They fuck inside office. She know they catch you. They come here Ashawo. They create. Man bring your name out. Ogunleye Opa. You understand? That's why they fuck fast. You will be say you no marry. You be sergeant at your age. Staff sergeant, you staff sergeant at your age like this. Now you never still marry. What if be that one? If not be Ashawo, all of us will be Ashawo. Now, I don't have battery. You understand? I don't have battery. I could like stay here. Like my battery said, no, they go like 5% like this. Percy where no, this don't more where they call Percy Ashawo. Now, person they fuck for inside toilet too. Bon throw away. What do they fuck for inside toilet? You understand? Now come now they call Percy Ashawo. When they look now they laugh. Can you even define Ashawo? You know what is what can you even define it? You know what to be Ashawo? Ashawo no better pass your mama for us. No, see, it hurts me, It hurts me when I see some of you, You because you now luckily petty come manage put you for a house. You understand? It hurts me, when I see some of you, They don't manage you for a house. So person don't manage put money for your head, put you for house, or you don't use better who person put for house for your mind now. Nobody know your past. You understand? Nobody know how you take married. You get me, Ruth Ogunleye. I don't see what you put all. Understand? If let me you be now, we are a tie of 300 million. I don't see it all. You get? I don't see it. But let me tell you something about we shall know how you take marry. You get? We know how you take marry. You whether they fuck for inside toilet or for office, fan, AC, upstairs, downstairs. Where they fuck for even if inside motor myself, staff car, you come here and shall me like this. No go better for you. No go better for you. Now what is say baby that word Ashawo now one kind insult. Whatever. Call me another name again, my sister. That one don't cast. Now madness, he don't cast. He don't cast. You understand? He don't cast. He don't cast. You come on now, just they come say, Ruth, you come, you want to shame me like this. You get sense. You get sense. You get sense. Imagine soldier bag. You see all those female soldier bag. I'm blocking them already. You see those female soldier where they come, they call Percy Ashawo. All those guys where they call online, they call Percy Ashawo. Some of them they be gay. Some of these people. See, let me tell you something. Very soon they will become here in this app. This app, so if you are a Gabriel, you are from the rank of Major General to anybody. I will post you here. You are a Gabriel. You see that one gossip me they do? Gossip me. I be this stuff. If they learn, I go they post all of una for here. So that una wife go no see all of una. Una they fuck for whole like Percy Anus. Thank you all women they be ashamed. Man tell you something. If you dey like this now, you look your mama video, your mama picture, you not get ready picture for us. Yes, your mama Ashawo, nothing you want tell me. She no now your mama use belete hook your mama your papa for neko. You understand? If your mama no get ready picture, your mama Ashawo. If you be woman, you no get ready picture for us to be Ashawo. There's no difference between me and you. The difference between me and you now, you dey for man neck where they give you money, where they accommodate you. You be olo show. Nothing you go tell me, nothing. You understand? You see Ashawo? You see madness? It don't cast. It don't cast. You get? Una wanna be Gabriel. Licky. Gabriel. If you everywhere. Una wanna you the phone say you be sent. You where they lick call tom. Licky tom. They lick a fellow woman pussy. She know they catch you. Shame not they catch you. You can't come like the cop. You waiting you can't be. Baby. You where they lick woman to now. And me where they fuck up and they fuck me up and down. Waiting you can't be. Waiting you can't be. Waiting you be. You wait no. As long as you where they fuck me where they fuck up and down. Don't fuck like for your mind now. Don't fuck like 100 pricks. You understand? Including your papa. Your papa just leave my room now. You understand? Funny enough, myself. Your papa now they pay for you for me. Your father. You understand? You don't come up for you. Your papa don't come up for you like this. Now I will faint. Now me will ride. I'm good in riding. You understand? But me and you now be the real Ashawo. You where they fuck for nyash. You understand? You don't marry for her, so you get wife. They still fuck you for yansh. You don't know say you be born through away. You know say you be born through away. Some of now say they use now for tattoo, they forgive your mama belly for tattoo. Tattoo pare grand, they forgive your mama belly, you come online. Where you off your body, you call they come online, they call person Ashawo. If they pay me, person say they use truth and dare they born. Now they ask question, how they born me? No be truth and dare. You understand? Because not be toasted. They toast before. They will just tell you, do this one, do that one. But people, they don't give you belly. Now they say, your mama don't get where deep shop was to be. Your mama na Ashawo. Now she be our headquarter. Because she don't even get sense. Let me tell you, me like this, I still dey young. I dey do Ashawo. Your mama don't old. You understand? She still dey do Ashawo. Who get shame pass? Who get shame pass? Your mama no dey shame. Your man no dey shame. Now call they say person get Ashawo this. Now no dey pay me. Oh. That one no dey pay me. You understand? You know they pay me. You know they pay me at all. You get? You know they pay me. You get? You know they pay me at all. You see madness? You know they pay me. You know they pay me, oh my sister. Oh. You see those one where they talk like this. You know they pay me. All of now when they be like say this thing and the phone same thing. I just they pray. Me, I get who they work for me. All those work where they work. Yeah, thank you. Now they know Ashawo. Also those work where they work for. All those they work for me. With you now husband. All those where they will come on. Of course, I'm an officer wife. My husband is this. See, let me tell you. I'm going to post your husband here. I'm telling you the truth. Most of the time, my husband they do gege bread. You understand? I will post my husband here. Or I will post their name. You get? I will post on her name. So next time, maybe if you come online, if you see your husband name online, you go dey shame to the talk. Now they come Ashawo. Like say the Ashawo na one kind thing. Ashawo. Your man no be Ashawo. Your man a virgin. Why? Now let Virgin Mary now. Now let Mary Mandalina. Now let she no be Ashawo. Why you are not a virgin? You be Ashawo. Nothing you will tell me. Nothing you dey tell me. If you know say you be man, you dey fuck your wife. You be Ashawo. You be Ashawo too. Please guys, see, I don't have battery. I don't know. I don't know what. I'm not. You know, I hate it when people will come. You feel you want to insult people. And you want to come and insult. Me will not get shame. Me I don't use my shame like this now. I don't use my shame. Say show cloth on my body. You want to they shame me? What do you want to shame me for? If you even know me for real, like you will tired. You say this Ruth said no will get time. You stand. I know you will get time for anybody. I'm the queen of vibe. I the vibe myself. I don't get your time. Oh, you stand. I don't get your time. If you know me for real, I don't get time. You stand. If you shake me for me, I will shake me for you. You understand? If you come for me, I come for you. I don't get time. You understand? I don't get time. You get? So you don't come online to call people Ashawo. Now only Ashawo they know Ashawo. You get? But first and foremost, before you insult anybody with Ashawo, check una parlor first. Go on a village. Go do it.